So I thought I'd do a unboxing video for this cool scope I just got off of Amazon. I have an Athlon on my 22-inch 224 Valkyrie, and it's 6 to 24, and it's a great scope. I love it. I used to have it on my 308 Savage, but I just found this 5 to 25 power scope for about the same price, and it comes with lots of extras that I'm going to show you. First off, it's got with some fairly nice flip ups. It's got a nice rail for a level. Came with a fairly aggressive cantilever scope mount for Picatinny. But what's really neat, and a lot of manufacturers are throwing in Allen wrenches these days, and I like that. Although I've got a ton of them now. Comes with some batteries. CR2032 standard fat batteries. Comes with a nice manual. And it's got this wheel because this parallax adjustment's really stiff. The screws have nylon inserts so it doesn't mar it. It just fits down. Well, first off, it's got a detent right here, but only one detent, so I'm going to line up one of the screws with that detent. Tighten that down as much as I can. Finger tight, 3 full turns. Nice, heavy, thick foam. Nice rag to clean the optics. But here's what's really cool. It's got a hex cell, which I guess is basically to replace the long tube. There's arguments that it cuts down the field of view. You can add this if you want to make it a lot longer. But I just really like it. It's got a lighted reticle, which I think is silly, but that seems to be what everybody has these days. Seems to be the popular thing to have, even though I never use it. Who shoots at dusk? Here's the 5 to 25. Slide it in at 5. This is a $56 scope, 6 to 24. So I like 6 to 24. Always had them. I like the cheap ones. As long as they return to 0 and aren't affected by recoil. This cantilever was nice because it had a built-in level. And that's it. Sweet. Go sight it in this weekend. I think that's cool. It's a pretty stiff knob, so this is important. Goes from 10 yards out to infinity. This is the 24-inch Valkyrie, 6.5 twist. It's quite a tack driver. I really love it. And I got the 6.5 because my Pro 2A 22-inch was only a 1 in 7, and I didn't want to have problems with the heavier pills, 90 grain pills. But 1,300 yards accurately is amazing to me with a 224. And that's it.